Can you get back on? Show me how you put the pedals. How do you work the pedals? Hi. You say hi, Sophie. Okay, Jack, put your feet on the pedals. Show me how they work. Yep. You need to go backwards. Okay, you done with that? What's that? What do you have? Shoe? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, thank you.